Got a little gift for you today. These are all $12.99, and when you see the fibers, you'll be stunned, hopefully. It's just a little gift. So here we're seeing a lot of pinstripe. And this is a beautiful pinstripe. It's a wool silk blend. Beautiful piece of fabric. Beautiful piece of fabric. It's a woven. Lovely. Don't know what else to say. This is a really pretty charcoal and silver. Again, beautiful piece of fabric. It is 100% rayon, beautiful for a blouse, a skirt. You know, rayon in the old days really had, I shouldn't say rayon, it's a viscose, I'm sorry, which is a higher grade. Used to have wrinkling issues, but you can see that when I do this, it just, there's no wrinkling issues at all. So it'd just be a really pretty little blouse, very sophisticated, very nice. This is a black, and it's a beautiful, beautiful solid black. It has stretch in both directions. This was marked. It's a 98% cotton, 2% polyester, and it's just a gorgeous feel. It has a great drape. On the back side, there's striping. I'm sure it's reversible, but this solid is really beautiful. $12.99. These fabrics, you guys, these are stealing prices. This is a really pretty plaid, almost 100% cotton. It's got a little bit of poly in it. You can see it's reversible. Plaid is everywhere right now. Plaid on the bias. It's just really popular. It's a beautiful piece of fabric. And then we have this 100% viscose. Again, you see there's just no wrinkling involved. It's a beautiful color, deep violet. Very pretty. And then this last piece we have is 100% cotton. And it has a little bit of, I know it's black, but it has a little bit of, I really put it in here for wrap. Especially the wrap we did. It'd be really pretty, just a lightweight wrap, 100% cotton. It's got a little bit of fine pleating to it. I don't know if you can see that, but you'd want to leave that. Just finish the edges, call it a day. It would be just really beautiful. Or a blouse, but it's very pretty, but it's got great drape, 100% cotton. All right, remember, all $12.99 today. Just today. All right, happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.